What's up, guys? Time for a little update on the fleet. So at the current moment, the fleet of vehicles that we have include this 2000 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's got 175,000 miles on it. The plan for this one is hopefully we're gonna fix this door, get a matching set of fender flares on this thing, and then clean up the rockers a little bit. And I think I'm gonna actually drive this one. We shall see. But the nice interior, nice leather interior, starts right up, nice and quiet, which is lovely. Now to the fun ones. So for this one here, this is a 04 Silverado 1500. Flat tire, needs grill and headlights and everything like that, and bumper obviously. But the nice cool thing about this one is that it is a Pro Tech bed. So that's right, it's fiberglass. So the Midwest boys, this is your rust free, ain't gonna rust, nothing. The only thing that will rust out is the gas cap, which this one does have a rusted gas cap. But rockers have been done at some point on this truck. A little bit of rot in the fenders, but I'm going to put some fender flares on this thing all the way around. And it's been repainted. But I'm going to take and fix this tire, pull these running boards off, and obviously fix this gas tank filler, which is going to be annoying, but is what it is. It's only got 154,000 miles. Get this one going. This Cadillac here, I'm hoping maybe next week gonna be able to get some parts for it, get some new coils in it, and see if I can fix the misfire, because this thing's actually pretty nice on the inside. The loaded leather, it's just put new headlights in it, new grill, still need a bumper for it, but overall not too bad. And then this thing, haven't really done much to it. The only things that I've really done is I pulled the back glass out of the scrapped cab, so this blown out glass is gonna go bye-bye. I'm still debating if I'm gonna do it or if I'm gonna have somebody do it, but I'm gonna take and put that glass in so then we can get this truck where it's ready for Silver Lake. Also, we got some nice meats on this thing, on some stock 17s with some Goodyear Wrangler tires. I'm very excited for those. Had them sitting around and I'm like, screw it, I'm gonna put it on this truck. But other than that, that's a fleet update.